To install your Vixibot 3.3 series, all what you have to do is to click on the zip file to extract your Vixibot 3.3 series. So I am going to extract this file, which is Florinix Vixibot zip file. Then after extraction, open the folder. Click on the MT5 folder, which is the available one right now. MT4 is going to be available later on. Then copy this v3-vixibot.ex5 file. Navigate to your MetaTrader 5. Click on File. And then click on Open Data folder. Click on MQL5. Click on Export and then paste your Vixibot file inside this folder. Now close the pop-up window and then on your MT5 navigator, right click and click on Refresh. Then you'll be able to see V3 Vixibots. Then on your market watch, drag Euro USD to the chart to open Euro USD charts. After opening Euro USD charts, navigate to Tools, Options, and then under Expert Advisors tab, click to tick Allow Algorithmic Trading. Uncheck Disable Algorithmic Trading when the account has been changed, and then uncheck Disable Algorithmic Trading when the profile has been changed. Check Allow DDL Imports and then click on OK. On your navigator of your MT5, drag and hold V3 Vixibot to your charts. This is how it is going to output. Now click on Inputs. This parameter known as ID number is the ID of this specific Vixibot. The volume is the lot size and the volume multiplier is the lot size increments. The first minimum level is the gap of each of the trades in points. That's 100 points, which is equals to 10 pips. The second minimum level is the gap between the trades whenever they are open positions up to 5. Third minimum level is similar whenever there is 10 positions. You can set filling mode to yes if your broker require you to select a filling mode and then select the filling mode accepted by your broker here. Aggressive mode is yes by default. If it is set to yes, it means your Vixibot is going to utilize all the lot size, but if you set to no, it means for each of the lot size increments it is going to use 50% of the lot size increments. This is the algorithmic settings in which you are not allowed to change. The license key is where you are going to input your license key. So I'm going to type my license key and then proceed. So I'm going to type my license key and then click on OK. Successfully loaded. So this is where you are going to see your balance as well as the floating profit whenever there is trades, and you are going to see the target profit of the overall positions that is executed on your account. You can click on close to close all the positions of Euro USD or any symbol that you input here. That's exactly how you set up your Vixibot. If this type of content gives you joy, please click on the like button, subscribe to this channel. And if you are interested to make money using Vixibot, I have dropped a link below for you to install Vixibot so it can start generating money for you automatically, just the way it is generating a whole lot of money for traders who are using Vixibot. Vixibot 3.3 is a game changer and it is going to make a whole lot of money. So click on the link and install your Vixibot 3.3 series. Okay, that is it for me in this video. See you in the next video.